Printed paper, thick cardboard. Looks like we're about to build something. Make a corner out of details. Give a warmer shade to paper with a wooden print. Draw stones on the second one. Wow, look at this style! Slightly smooth the drawing with a finger. First, glue the floor. Wood wallpaper is a great choice for the elf room. Shape an arched window out of thick cardboard. Wood will serve as a window seat. Magic brush painted winter scenery. Draw shadows with a pencil. There is an arch on the wall. Wow, and what's that? Beans and wooden details? Glue it above the arch. The other detail will serve as a handle. Decorate the entrance with beans. It looks very unusual. A magic room needs magic designs. Fill the nutshell with hot glue. Remove the excess from a wooden spoon. It will serve as a back. We just need some magic. Wow! The chair got covered with petals. And here's the second one. Oh, we would love to relax with a cup of tea in this chair. Fabric with fringe looks like a vintage rug. Armchairs also took their places. They're so bright and colorful. Elf has good taste. Now we'll need a ribbon with a print. Press it. Snap! We made a round seat. Join with a wooden base. And parts of small clothespins will serve as legs. 3 stools. Complete the cross-section with parts of paper clips. We made a cute coffee table. Leave it near the armchairs. Here come the stools. Aw, they're adorable. There is a flower pot hanging in the corner of the room. Wow, the owner of the house loves plants. They're on the windowsill, on the floor, on the walls. Everywhere, even on the paintings. There are wooden plates and cups on the table. Styrofoam will serve as a base for a future house. Mark it up like this. Paint it the same color as the base. Add stones. Snap! It got bigger. Paint it black. Add gray to the top. Connect the walls to make a corner. Here's the floor. Shape an arc on a piece of styrofoam. The opening is ready. Snap. Apply stone texture. For now, it doesn't look similar. We need to paint it. I'll help. Oh, thanks. The painter got a roll and started working. It's perfect. The fireplace is probably very old. Okay, go to the corner of the room. The fireplace is made from the same stone as the wall. Now we'll need tinfoil. Shape the frame of the trees. Powerful tree trunks are on the sides of the elf's room. Their shapes look so bizarre. Paint them brown. Add shades. The hut has been in the forest for many years. Even the vines turned into trees. Styrofoam detail will be the base of the bed. Wow, an eagle is delivering trees today. We can make steady legs out of logs. Decorate the backs with tree branches. Bright flowers appeared on them. Install it in the corner of the room. Add a lacy pillow. Oh, here's the blanket. It appeared on the bed on its own. Draw a circle on thin styrofoam. Paint it yellow. Glittery foam paper left rays. Wait, we need you! We made a bright sun. The clock is ready. Hang it above the bed. There is a nightstand near the fireplace. A colorful mat appeared. An elf chair appeared too. Now you can sit and watch the fire in the fireplace. Draw a window on thin styrofoam. Paint it dark blue. Draw a night view with white paint. Ah, the moon and the stars. Shape the window frame with hot glue. Gold curtains made the room comfier. Snap! A painting decorated the wall. There is a flower pot with a flower in the corner. Everyone knows that elves love plants. Add decor, clay plates, books, and a crystal-shaped lamp. Wow, what's happening? Flowers appeared on the trees. Looks like the elf is somewhere nearby. Outline pieces for walls on thick cardboard. Ready. We just need to glue the wallpaper and the floor. Let's get started. The floor is installed. Remove a flower panel. Do the same thing on striped paper. That's creative. Draw a cross-shaped silhouette of a frame. Cover with glue. There is a ribbon along the wall. The window is in place. Put together a comfy corner. A wall with decorative frames and pictures looks so cute. Cover attachment points and sides under a ribbon. There is a key on a hook. When the bell rings, it means elves are having guests. A pastel room in the French country style is exactly what our client needs. Prepare strips of thick cardboard. A chopstick separated into 4 parts. Install the frame of the bed on legs. The headboard and the bottom are covered with gold ornaments to look like wood. Trim the sides of a styrofoam piece. We made a mattress. Tighten tulle like this. Add decorations to the bed. The bed goes in the corner. Make a table. We don't need this. Highlight a styrofoam cylinder with white acrylic paint. We can make a tabletop out of a piece of wood. Add wooden texture. Oh, it was not a simple tree. Make a lampshade out of a paper piece. The sides are decorated with ribbon. There is a nightstand on a wooden leg. Now it will be easy to read fairy tales before sleep. One more table is for makeup. Cover the tabletop with satin. A band from tulle on a ribbon made it even cuter. Something's missing. That's right, a mirror. Outline the circle on mirrored cardboard. The elf can get ready in front of a makeup table. There is a wooden stool nearby. Outline a chest. Put it together. And it's ready. Add wooden texture. What a nice treasure chest! The elf keeps small treasures there. A drop of hot glue. Wrap a ribbon around it. Make a few circles. Until you get a nice rug. Add sheets out of thick cardboard. It's a book of fairy tales. You can read this before bed. This elf's room is adorable. It has everything that she needs to be happy. We added lots of natural elements, a tree, a flower, and moss. When the elf comes back to her house, she'll be so happy!